If you want to install a VPN app on OnePlus 15R, what you can do is you can simply go to the Play Store, and then over here we can search for an app, for a VPN app. Of course, we can find a bunch of different free and paid apps, but if you search for VPN, you should be able to find a bunch of different apps over here. So you can choose whichever you wish to try out. In my case, let's say I'm gonna choose this Proton VPN app because why not? And I'm gonna install it. The setup is usually quite simple. You can just simply follow the instructions that you will see on the screen. And in some cases, you don't even have to use like an account or something in order to be able to use the VPN. So in this case, as you can see, we can continue as a guest. So we can tap over here. You might see a premium offer or something like that, but in this case, at least, we don't have to do so. So we can tap on a not now that we have here at the bottom of the screen. And then you should be able to connect to a server. Most of the time, free VPN versions allow you to connect to a random server. You cannot really choose the country or the region, although maybe some VPN apps actually allow you to do so. But you can try to change the server in case you need to. Of course, you will need to grant some permissions for the VPN app to be able to use it. And then also if you go to settings over here and go to mobile network, I believe. No, sorry, it's gonna be, hold on, I'm not sure where it was. I think it was here in device connect. Also no, my bad. So I assume, yeah, over here in mobile networks, there we go. We have VPN, then as you can see, the profile is created in here. We are connected. You can tap on this eye icon in order to toggle, for example, always on and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, which apps you choose to use the VPN, it's up to you. You don't have to use this one. Try anything and see which one you like the most. Leave a like and subscribe.